Imagine we have these particles bouncing around and they're all moving with their own speed. From something called kinetic molecular theory, there's this equation that pops out, and I've derived this in videos. You can check those out if you want to see them. The average translational kinetic energy, so that's the kinetic energy due to motion, kind of left, right, up, down, into and out, like X, Y, Z, that kind of motion. So temperature is our average translational kinetic energy. It's a measure of hot and cold. But what is heat? Heat is not present right now. Heat's a transfer of kinetic energy. If we take these two bodies and put them in contact with each other, we see that because of the collisions at the barrier, the slower moving particles start moving faster. Their kinetic energy increases. The kinetic energy of the hotter body goes down a little bit, and that transfer of kinetic energy due to this temperature difference is what heat is. That's kind of our definition of heat. Temperature is a state function. It's a property of the system, whereas heat is called a path function. It describes how we transfer energy from state 1 to state 2. So right here we have a high temperature. There's no heat, okay, because there's no energy being transferred. In the colder body, it's of a low temperature, still no heat because no energy is being transferred. Heat occurs or exists when we're transferring energy from a hot body to a cold body.